Welcome to the Expedock platform. Today we're going to show you how Expedock AI automates data extraction, reconciliation, and data entry into the Cargowise system. We begin by uploading any invoice document that you'd like to extract. In this case, let's try extracting data from a Steam shipline invoice that the AI has never encountered before. With a click of a button, we now have the exact line items and precise data points we need. As you can see, Expedock was able to extract the correct invoice number, date, due date, reference number, HBL number, container number, voyage number, vendor details, and line items. Now that we have the right descriptions, costs, and currencies available, Expedock can also do charge code mapping on Cargowise based on the various charge descriptions in the document. Expedock AI is able to match a particular charge code with a charge description on its own after training. In this case, the bunker surcharge is represented in Cargowise by the charge code BAF. Now that we've shown you data extraction, we are going to show you how we automate data reconciliation versus the Cargowise system. On the invoice, we were charged 6 line items. However, the Cargowise data only accrued 5 line items based on our expected cost. Here's how we automatically reconcile any discrepancies for you. Once we click the Reconcile Invoice button, the expected data from Cargowise will pop up. From there, any discrepancies will be flagged instantly. Users also have full visibility on this through our Exceptions Manager tab. In this scenario, Expedock AI immediately flagged the totals that did not match up. We were expecting $1,869 but were billed $1,892 instead. From there, we were able to flag the exact line item that caused the discrepancy. In this case, the overbilling was caused by a $22 additional charge in the invoice. And that's how we automate data reconciliation on the Expedock platform. Now that we've shown you how we automate data reconciliation with the Cargowise system, we are going to demonstrate how Expedock AI automates data entry into the Cargowise platform. To recap, the Cargowise data shows that we expected 5 line items, but we were billed 6 line items due to an additional $22 cargo facility charge. Here on Cargowise, we can see the expected 5 line items. What we're going to do is simply send the data to Cargowise, and once that's been sent, we are now able to check Cargowise again. So we are going to open up the platform, head on over to billing, and there you go. We now have the cargo facility charge entered instantly. After demonstrating automatic data extraction, reconciliation, and data entry into Cargowise, let us show you how we aggregate all this data into actionable insight for forwarders. This time, we'll be sharing an arrival notice dashboard that we've built for our customers. I'd like to bring your attention to this dashboard that shows the discrepancies from vendor invoices. Discrepancies would be the difference of the estimated cost versus the actual cost you received from an invoice. For this scenario, we see that Freight Patrol was able to catch over $60,000 worth of discrepancies with Expedock. The 2 key features of this particular setup is that our customers can easily see which arrival notices are ready to be paid within the next 5 days. They can simply open it up and find all the invoices that are ready for payment. Alongside this, our clients can also review and prioritize the arrival notices that have discrepancies. In this case, we would prioritize the arrival notices that have high discrepancies. such as these ones that have over $9,000 and $3,000 in discrepancies that will be reviewed immediately. In addition to these features, our clients are also able to drill down into particular data sets. For example, in order to find out which invoices are creating the discrepancies, we'll only need to look into the arrival date to get answers.